If you are getting a Gimp Xcf error, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most common causes and the fastest fixes step by step. These issues usually happen because of a version mismatch, a corrupted file, permission problems, or simply using the wrong command inside Gimp. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to open your file, fix the problem, and avoid it in the future. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's talk about the most common error, unsupported XCF file version encountered. This usually means the XCF file was created in a newer version of Gimp than the one you currently have installed. For example, if the file was saved in Gimp 3.0 or 3.2, but you are trying to open it in Gimp 2.10, the older version may not understand the newer file structure. That can happen because newer versions may use different features, advanced formatting, higher bit depths, or linked layers that older versions simply cannot read. The easiest fix is to update Gimp to the latest stable version. Open your browser, go to the official Gimp download page, and install the newest version available for your operating system. Once the update is complete, try opening the XCF file again. If it still opens in the wrong version, your computer may still be set to use the older Gimp by default. In that case, right-click the XCF file, choose Open With, and manually select the newest version of Gimp. This is an important step because even after installing the update, your system might keep launching the old app unless you point it to the correct one. Now let's move to the next issue. Gimp Xcf image plugin could not open image. This error often appears when the file is stored in cloud storage and sync conflicts interfere with access. If your XCF file is inside OneDrive, iCloud, or Dropbox, the sync service may temporarily lock the file or change its permissions. To test this, move the XCF file out of the cloud folder and place it in a local folder on your computer, like your Pictures folder or desktop. Then try opening it again in Gimp. In many cases, that alone fixes the issue. If the file still will not open, try running Gimp as administrator. On Windows, right-click the Gimp shortcut and select Run as administrator. This gives the program elevated permission and can help if the error is being caused by a local permission block or a restricted file path. If Gimp opens the file successfully after that, then the issue was likely related to access rights rather than the image itself. Next, let's cover file corruption, which is another major reason XCF files stop opening. If Gimp crashes while saving, or if the file was damaged by a drive failure, unexpected shutdown, or sync issue, the file may become unreadable. A quick check is to look at the file size. If the file shows 0 kilobytes or 0 KB, that usually means the data is gone and the file cannot be recovered normally. If the file has a normal size but still won't open, there may still be partial corruption inside the data. In that case, check whether you have a backup. Look in your operating system's file history, your cloud storage trash or version history, or any automatic backup location you use. If you have a previous version, restore it and try opening that copy instead. This is why backups are so important, especially for editing projects that take a lot of time to build. Now here's another very common mistake, trying to save a final image format with the save command instead of export. Gimp uses save strictly for its native XCF workspace format. So if you are trying to type .png or JPG into the save dialog, Gimp may throw an error or warn you that the image uses features that require export. The correct method is to go to File, then Export As. From there, choose the format you want, such as PNG or JPG, by PBG, and save the final version properly. If you want to preserve layers and editability, use XCF. If you want a standard image file, use Export. So to quickly recap, if you see an XCF version error, update Gimp and make sure the file opens in the newest version. If you get a plugin or open error, move the file out of cloud storage and try running Gimp as administrator. If the file is corrupted or 0 KB, check backups and previous versions. And if Gimp is complaining about file format issues, remember to use Export As instead of Save for PNG or JPG files. I hope this helped you fix your Gimp XCF error quickly and safely. If it did, please give this video a like and subscribe for more easy troubleshooting guides. And if you want, I can also show you how to recover damaged XCF files or fix Gimp file opening issues on Windows and Mac in a future video. Thanks for watching.